Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys move forward everything that you do. Diving right in to this video here, taking a look here at JUMPEX. So JUMPEX Exchange is an emerging cryptocurrency exchange that's committed to providing users with a secure, efficient, and innovative trading experience. So this exchange here is known for its relentless innovation and long-term value proposition, offering traders leverage up to 177x in zero-fee spot trading. This is huge, guys. So we're going to dive in. You guys are going to see me take some live trades on this platform, and you may have an opportunity to copy some trades along with me and come along for the ride. So let's dive in. Taking a look here at the charts here. Very clean terminal. I love it. Very clean terminal, and really providing people an opportunity to not have a lot of unnecessary information. Okay, not a lot of unnecessary information here. As you can see, we are on Bitcoin, and I'm going to do something I don't typically do. Never really short Bitcoin, but you saw the call out that I made yesterday saying that we could just fall back within range in that channel. It's happening. It's happening live. So I'm going to place a short live, and you guys are going to see us trade. I know you guys have seen our analysis. You guys have seen us really push the envelope when it comes to our call outs. But I'm gonna show you real quick what that looks like here. So gonna place a short sell, starting with about $10,600. Gonna place a short sell on Bitcoin and really watch it as we continue to essentially pull back, guys. So placing this trade here, you can see the live trade here as it's open and we're pulling back, and really just something that we anticipated and something that we've been waiting for. But I don't necessarily know what the future holds until we break out of this range. So typically what I do, guys, I will place my order here, but I will manage my trade on TradingView. Okay, now this is a clean terminal, so I'm okay looking at this chart and staying here. But typically when I mark up charts, I'm marking up on TradingView, and then I'm going over to the actual terminal, which in this case is JUMPEX, to place the actual trade. My markups are happening on TradingView. It's just something that I'm become accustomed to ever since trading Forex and trading commodities and now trading crypto. So here, place a short. We see it live. We see it not really doing anything much right now. To manage a trade, I do sometimes drop down. This is the first time you're gonna hear me say this. I do sometimes drop down to lower time frames. Okay, so this is daily, so sometimes I do drop down to the hour, sometimes even as low as the 5 minute, especially on Bitcoin, to see what's going on. So right now we're pulling back. I will place another sell, just because we did not clear 65,000, or probably 64,100 would be kind of like my exit, breaking that lower high point. So I'm gonna place another sell here just to hedge a little bit from our first position. One thing I do want to highlight here is JUMPEX has signed up for $35,000 bonus. Okay, huge. Okay, and they have already added a ton of different trading pairs already. They have hot futures, new listings, and top gainer section as well. And the big thing I like about it is copy trade. You guys have the opportunity to copy traders that have been consistent for a long time, and really just tag right along their coattails and make money. Why wouldn't you do that? It just makes sense. Okay, so most active futures, and just diving down to learn about JUMPEX and learn about the convenience of it, guys. We talked about this yesterday. The convenience of it. You can get on Google Play. You can get on the App Store. You can get on Android. Okay, you can get on that 1077 leverage. Does not mean you need to use all the leverage that you get. Okay, trade responsibly. This is financial advice, just what we do. Okay, so really like what I'm seeing here. Clean setup, guys. And really, one thing you can do also, you can actually take a look at their X page on Twitter. Okay, give them a follow and see all the things that they have going, guys. This is an exciting time to be in crypto, guys. They have trading tournaments, right? that you can see here, you can see the daily market report. Okay. You can have a ton of different tools and resources to be successful, guys. So definitely pay attention to that as well. They're doing all the right things. If we take a look here at Telegram, even on Telegram, over 25,000 members already. Okay. 25,000 members. Okay. You get a community like that gets together is there for a reason, guys. So definitely going to be continuing to watch out for JUMPEX. So right now you can see here in the red unrealized P&L, you can see we are negative about 260 bucks right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not freaking out. Okay. I'm going to place one more hedge at 25%. Place one more hedge there because I do believe in the directional bias based off of this TA here. On the daily, we did have a significant pullback, but the confirmation really would be if we break under 63,000. If we hit 62.5, that would really be it. So going to the lower time frames here on trading view, we can see a couple bullish candles. Not too concerned. Not too concerned. If we mark up these candles right here, do a quick markup. You guys know I use trading view for our markups. Quick markup here. We can use this. Boom. Going right here, and use this right here. So typically, what we would probably see is a breakout either way. So we're either going to see a breakout to the top, which is pretty much end our trade here. If we break above, this trend line up top, which happens to be around 64,000 or so, maybe a little bit higher. Let's say 64,100. Or we're going to break to the downside, which we're thinking right now, which is going to be around a breakout would be around 63.5. Okay, so a little bit of indecision right now on the 5-minute chart, but we will document and we will continue to hold this trade so you guys can see how easy it is to use JUMPEX, guys. So you see, I place those trades in a matter of seconds. Cool thing I like about this one is this platform JUMPEX is they actually have a quick close button. So you see over here, you can actually see, if I zoom in a little bit, you can actually see you have a close all positions button. Okay. So in that close all positions button, you can just close out everything. If something going your way or it's not going your way, immediately, boom, just click and we exit those trades. So as you can see here with our entries, you see here on the bottom, we are moving into profit already, guys. Already into profit, guys. So a lot of people, and this is something I don't typically do. I don't typically short Bitcoin. It's not typical. But the cool thing about technical analysis is when you see the opportunity, you have an opportunity to take it. Despite what you usually do. If there's an opportunity there, something's about to fall, something's about to pull back, or we know there's no guarantees, but there's a high probability we're going to fall. You have to go with the information that you have. So as you can see here, we're in profit already. We have one that's a little bit waiting on one to fall into play. We can hedge that a little bit with another short. And see if we can see how much we can make. This is very conservative right now. We're dealing with not a lot of money right now. I just wanted to show you guys the platform and show you guys the how simple this is. And we're going to be probably launching our copy traders. You guys can see we don't trade that much crypto. Typically we buy and hold. We buy the actual asset. So we don't trade leverage that much, but when we do, it's pretty much in and out and in scalping, we call it. So definitely love the copy trader aspect of it. And let me see, if we look here, you can see copy trades earn with trading experts. I like being able to piggyback on other people's success too, right? And the same thing goes with their favorite failure, but you can see how much people made. You got a guy that made $19,000 over the past 7 days. Okay. You got Lems who's made 13,000. Crazy numbers. Okay. So you have an opportunity to go and just copy. Okay. So here with CVO crypto, he made 19,000 in 7 days. Why not just copy him? You can go follow the trader. Okay, auto copy new prayers at market open. You can take profit. What percentage you want to take profit and fix that around what you want to do. Okay, so very exciting tools available to you to use and to ultimately use it to capitalize on opportunity. So taking a look back at our trades here, going back to our trades and see what is going on here. We see that we are still in the negative, but not for long. It looks like we see here on the 5-minute time frame, we have a red rejection candle. We could be bouncing, so we're gonna wait and see how this plays out. Here we go, just like that, already up almost $200 in just probably about 5-10 minutes. We'll see how long we'll let this run. And we really like this platform, really like how easy it is, how user friendly it is. And like I said, one thing I really do like right here is this close all positions tab. Like if something happens, you can literally just snipe out. I'm out, done, and get out. So definitely love that. And a ton of cool features here, and being able to piggyback on traders that are doing well. I love that. So you can see here we're already doing pretty well already for this quick little trading session. $200 in like 15 minutes, not even, is pretty good. Like where else can you make $200 in 15 minutes legally? So gonna take a look at this chart here and see what we're gonna do. I definitely think there is potential for a breakout outside of here to make a new low. One thing you can do is use a moving stop loss. So you can put the stop loss into profit, so you're pretty much securing your profit. So it's a risk-free trade. That's one thing that we love to do. So they actually have a button here where you can do that. You can edit that and put your stop loss into profit. So that's kind of what we're gonna do to really just secure this trade and really make it a risk-free trade. So right now we're up, and we're gonna see what price are we at. So we're up. So I think we can secure it and pretty much put our entry price is 63,845. I would move the stop loss into profit. And pretty much with that entry price, give me some wiggle room just in case there's some slippage. And pretty much 835.5 will be my TP price. So that means estimated profit will be $4 on this trade, but it's risk free and it's running. So I hit confirm. Now my trade is in profit. Okay, there's no way I lose on these trades. Okay, same here. I'm gonna do the same thing. So entry price, give me about 10 points. 63,875.4. Confirm. That means I made $10 on that. That's worst case scenario. Okay. T profit here 63,811.9. Oops, 11.9. Okay. So that means confirmed. So we're there, and then we're also here. This last one 63,924. My stop loss is in the take profit zone. Okay, my stop loss is in the take profit zone. So there's no scenario where we lose now. Now it's a risk-free trade. Okay, so now we're just riding the wave. Okay, we look here. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit for you guys. I had things bunched up. Look here. You see that we're up significantly. We're probably up almost $300 now within the past, let's say 15 minutes or so. A little bit over 15 minutes, guys. We're up $300. So what do? It's a risk-free trade. So you have a decision to make. You can either let it run, and it's no risk. Like there's no risk. There's no risk either way. We're up. So we can either let it run, let the trade breathe, and let it run, and potentially it pulls back. As you can see, we're spot on. We entered about right here. So you can kind of check our entry point. We entered right around here. So entered about right here, and then, we're pretty much taking advantage of this pullback. So new candle about to post right here. We'll see if we can make another drop down before any type of pullback. I don't really go lower than the 5-minute when I'm managing these trades. And be honest with you, if it doesn't fall pretty quickly. I'm probably just going to do a quick close out of here. So let's take a look. So here you can see our entry. You can see where we entered. Pretty spot on entries, guys. Right when it's falling off a cliff. It looks like we're going to head and make a new low. Looks like they're going to be a breakout. Going to trading view, it looks like we are heading towards that trend line for a breakout. I think we can actually adjust it a little bit. Just trying to do wick to wick if we can. If not, it's okay. But because ultimately, we try to do wick to wick, and I've seen some traders, really try to do that, but sometimes it just doesn't paint good. So it's okay. It's more about the range and the area than it is the exact precise point. So especially when it doesn't line up, because like I said, this is just a reflection of price. So we see here a little bit of indecision. It's pulling back a little bit, but you see we're secure. You can see our stop loss. If you pull over, I'm going to pull over to the left a little bit. You can see our stop loss points. This is a risk-free trade, guys. This is a risk-free trade. There is no scenario where we lose money. So, so even if we break even, a break-even trade is still a good trade because you did not lose any capital. Okay, I just want everyone to understand that. Everyone's like, oh, you're not really making much. You're making maybe $20, right? So I'm making $20. Okay, worst case scenario, but it's all upside. Right now we're up about $300. Okay, so even being up about $300, it shows us that it's a risk-free trade. Like, you can sleep at night. Something can happen. I can step away and know that we are good to go. Like, we're not losing any capital. Okay, in this trade. So these are the best trades you want to be in. So looking here, just see where we're at. We're up $400, guys. $400. Okay, insane. Up $400. Let me pull over a little bit so you can see full transparency. Okay, now we're at 328. Okay, pulling back, but it said $400 a second ago. Markets are moving a little bit here, but we are up. We are up. Okay. We see a painting green candle. I'm not really concerned, but it might be time to get out, guys. It might be time to get out. You see here we're painted green. See how it's aligned. So see how smooth this chart is. This platform is. It's pretty much aligned with TradingView, like moving in unison. Love that. There's sometimes where you get those exchanges where there's a delay, so you can kind of mess you up with price if you're not careful. So let me see here. Okay, currently up 478 in 20 minutes. Little over 20 minutes, up over $450. Price is pulling back exactly where we want it to go. Risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free trade. I really want to emphasize that it's a risk-free trade. There is no risk here. I think we're gonna shut it down and take our profits. Up $488 in just about 25 minutes. Pretty good. So gonna go to close all positions here. So $450, close, boom, done. Okay, so we just made $450 in about 25 minutes. Okay, so that's an example of JUMPEX, guys. This is a very easy to use platform. And like I said, the coolest feature that I like so far is this close all positions, like being able to get out. Okay. So definitely love that. And really love the easy to use feature. You can actually set it up and move it around however you like it. Let me zoom out a little bit and clean everything up so you guys can see. Gonna zoom out a little bit because I was trading, so I wanted to make sure I could see. Zooming out and taking a look here at the terminal. You can see here that there's really just not a lot of unnecessary space, guys. You have the ability to trade and take clean entries because this terminal is aligned with TradingView and other platforms, so you don't really see that much of a lag in price. So I love that too, because that can mess you up. You can see it's going in our direction still. So now you're in a situation where you could say, oh, I could have stayed in and got more. Yeah, but you made $450 in 25 minutes, guys. Come on. So so yeah, that's how we trade, guys. That's really an example of how we trade. A pullback, and you know, really just align with our technicals, guys. You guys never seen us go to the lower time frames. The only time we will go to the lower time frames is if we are managing a trade. And so when there's a breakout, we want to be able to get out early, not wait for a close of a candle. Okay, so that's the reason. That's the why behind going to the 5-minute time frame. We don't enter on those time frames, but we do sometimes manage on those time frames, especially with volatile assets such as Bitcoin, guys. So definitely wanted to share JUMPEX with you. Great terminal, great exchange, and ultimately providing a ton of opportunity when it comes to just being easy to use. And we talk about adoption, right? We talk about, you know, things that are going to be able to push the market forward. This is giving you an ability to not just be a part of the adoption part, but also be a part of people that are winning, being a part of people that are making money. So definitely take a look at JUMPEX, an upcoming exchange that's been around for a while, has a big community, and is on track for major growth to be a major industry player, guys. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.